Now that you have quality products to resell online, and more importantly, hindi mo na kailangan mag-stock ng inventories and other logistics such as deliver products and even yung payment system, dahil company na ang bahala ng lahat because of our dropshipping platform as discussed by Ms. Richard Yanes. And even your commissions or bonuses will be sent either through remittance, bank transfer, or checks. Maybe ang tanong mo na lang sa ngayon is, paano siya magbebenta or paano siya ma-advertise online? Hi, I'm Coach Eric Melchor, founder of Ecom Pinoy Biz and co-founder of Pinoy Ecom Society. Alam mo ba na ang e-commerce business ang isa sa pinakasikat na online marketing platform na ginagamit ng malalaking company ngayon gaya ng Shopee, Lazada, Alibaba, Shopify, at ang isa sa pinakamayamang entrepreneur ngayon na si Jeff Bezos na siyang may-ari ng Amazon. It is a proven system, especially now that most people are shopping online instead of going to the mall, groceries, and other convenience stores to shop or buy products. The reason behind is, of course, mas convenient, cheaper, hassle-free. You have a wide range of quality products to choose from, and you have options to pay your products through cash on delivery. So, now that you have a products, a very good logistics, all systems in place like your customer care who will handle inquiries from your customers. So, the question now is, how can we advertise online? So, maraming paraan kung paano mag-advertise online. Pwede kang mag-post sa Facebook personal timeline mo, sa mga different Facebook groups na mahilig mag-online shopping. Pwede mo ring i-message yung mga kakilala mo. But, if you will become part of our growing team, we will reveal our strategies na ginagawa ngayon ng mga successful online marketer. Makikita mo doon sa mga, dito sa description, sa ilalim ng video na ito, yung mga pwede mong matutunan when you join our team. Normally, sa mga training module na gaya ng ituturo namin sa iyo, it will cost you mga around 25,000 to 50,000, But this is absolutely free when you avail of our membership package. You can access it anytime, anywhere, at your most convenient time. This way, makakapag-save ka ng time, effort, and money. Kaya mas mabilis na lang nagagawa yung business kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Maaari mo nang matutunan lahat ng tamang paraan para gawin ang business na to ng tama. Okay, sa training module na to, we will teach you how to advertise on Facebook using Business Manager's platform so you can reach millions, millions of potential customers not only in the Philippines but worldwide, worldwide. Also, we will teach you how to automate yung mga messages of potential customers when they inquire, and bahala na ang auto-reply messenger marketing system to close your sales using ManyChat application tools na ginagamit namin. We will also provide you your own sales funnel na very effective in presenting our products as well as our business to your potential client. This is also free for my team members who will avail of our Platinum package. May mga readily available videos tayo that we can use to present to our clients online. We have more than 1,000 plus marketing materials that we can use. Hindi na kailangan pa gumawa ng mga photos or images or videos or for products, because we can download it for free anytime and use it for our advertising campaign. And lastly, we have weekly live webinar for you to learn, ask questions, for you to grow in this business, and this is exclusive for my team. So if you want to see yung preview of our training module, I will send it through your messenger to access it for free. So if you're really interested and want to know more about this business, I want to introduce to you our CEO and founder of Salveoworld and TechnoWise 360, is Richard Yanes, to show you the compensation plan and the concept of this automated e-commerce business that will help you attract more potential buyers, more customers, and more business partners. This is just a short video para mas maunawaan mo on how you will earn at the comfort of your home. And lastly, When you're done watching, just click yung watch next video button below, no, to access on how you can simply join our growing community of Pinoy Ecom Society. So here's our CEO, Ms. Richet Yanes. See you on the next video. Bye for now.
I am so glad you reached this part, for you are about to discover an exciting way to make money online using Salveoworld's revolutionary online marketing system. So how are you going to earn? First, endorsement bonus. This is your income every time you sell a product using your replicated website. So, ang gagawin mo lang ay mag-post. Pag may nag-shop, you get a bonus. Ang good news dito, everything is dropshipping. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-stock ng inventory, hindi rin ikaw magpapaship at mag-claim ng payments. The company will do all the work for you. So, all you need to do is wait for your bonus to get credited sa account mo. Now, this endorsement bonus goes to your free shopping money called Shopbox. Ano naman ang Shopbox? Ang Shopbox ay pwede mong pambili ng product sa loob ng website mo. When you go to the website, makikita mo na merong points ang bawat product. And this is the basis of endorsement bonus. Example, you sold a Carpe Diem Rapunzel watch. Endorsement for this watch is 3%. 1,899 times 3% equals 57 pesos. So this 57 pesos will be your endorsement bonus and will go to your Shopbox. Now let us discuss the second way to earn, called cashback. Cashback is your earnings naman every time you shop sa website. Computation is similar to endorsement bonus, which is based on product points na naka-display sa website. Cashback will also be credited as Shopbox. So those are the benefits of having a free account here in Salveoworld. Gusto mo pa lalong palakihin ang income mo? Be a Salveoworld member so you can enjoy lifetime discounts, more benefits, and more ways to earn. So how to become a Salveoworld member? To become a member, all you need to do is buy a platinum membership package worth 14,998 pesos. But for a limited time, we are offering you an 8,000 pesos discount. So you can buy our membership package for only 6,998 pesos. At ano naman ang kapalit nito? You will get 7,000 pesos worth of high-quality health and beauty products from Salveo and Meron, up to 40% lifetime discount on all Salveoworld and Technowise 360 products, access to our e-loading portal where you can get 3 to 15% discount on 300 plus prepaid load products, access to our e-learning academy and to our community for free, which will help you in building your business. Kung di mo pa kaya ang 6,998, pwede ka pa rin mag-join sa Salveoworld because we created a gold membership package for starters, which is only 2,500 pesos. And here are the benefits of a gold member. So what are the benefits of a gold member? As a gold member, you will get the following: 2,500 worth of health and beauty products, up to 30% discount in all Salveoworld and Technowise 360 products, access to e-loading, access to e-academy, access to our Facebook community, plus all the services and privileges of a Salveoworld member. Kapag gold member ka, yun nga lang hindi mo makukuha lahat ng benefits and ang maximum discount. But the good news is, you can upgrade this account to platinum anytime. When you join Salveoworld, you are actually joining two systems, Salveoworld and Technowise 360. Sa Salveoworld, this is your marketing platform where you can market the business or the opportunity. While Technowise 360 website naman, this is where you sell the products. In Technowise 360, you will earn endorsement bonus, cashback, direct sales bonus, and group overrides. In Salveoworld, you will earn sponsor bonus, multiple referral bonus, platinum advantage bonus or PAB, membership matching bonus, direct sales bonus, repeat matching bonus or RMB, personal star rebates, and group star rebates. So let us discuss Direct Sales Bonus or DSB. What is Direct Sales Bonus? Ang Direct Sales Bonus or DSB ay tinatawag ding Online Retail Profit or simply Sales Commission. Ito yung kita mo kapag nagbenta ka ng products online. Once you become a member, you will get up to 30% DSB sa lahat ng TechnoWise 360 product. So, pwede mong kitain ito in two different ways. One, dropshipping. Ikaw ang mag-place ng order using your account. Click mo lang yung dropshipping, then put your customer details, you're good to go. Once na nagbayad ang customer mo at na-remit ng courier ang payment sa company, papasok na ang sales commission mo sa iyong account. 2. Customer orders. Pwede mo rin ito kitain kapag yung mismong customer ang nag-sign up sa replicated shop mo at umorder mismo sa website. Just the same, you will earn DSB kahit ang customer mo mismo ang nag-shop. Balikan natin yung example natin kanina nung bumili si customer ng Carpe Diem Rapunzel watch. So here's how to compute your DSB. Ang DSB percentage mo ay laging equal sa membership discount. So, for example, dito sa Rapunzel watch, ang discount mo dito ay 30% bilang isang platinum member. So, ang DSB mo will be computed as follows. 1,899 times 30% is equal to 569 pesos and 70 centavos. So, here's the table kung paano ka kikita when you sell products sa TechnoWise. If you are a free member, you will earn endorsement bonus as mentioned earlier. Same kapag gold or platinum member ka, lahat kayo may endorsement bonus which will go to your shop box. Kapag gold member ka naman, you will get 20% on this specific product. So that is a DSB of 379 pesos and 80 centavos. Kapag naman platinum member ka, you get 30% DSB or 569 and 70 centavos. Note that your percentage varies depende sa brand or product. Imagine, isang watch pa lang yan. This means kapag ang customer mo nag-shop pa ng ibang products like necklace or bracelet or couple rings, mas lalo pang lalaki ang income mo. Ang ginawa mo lang, nag-share ka lang ng link, hindi ka nag-stock ng products, hindi rin ikaw yung nag-ship. Pag natanggap na ng company ang payment from the courier, ike-credit na sa'yo ang DSB mo. Note that this DSB is computed only sa mga non-members or customers. Kung merong direct sales bonus sa TechnoWise 360, meron din ang Salveoworld. In Salveoworld, you will have different sales pages for each product. So, bawat product magkakaroon ka din ng replicated link which you can use to sell Salveo and Amaranth products. Kapag may bumili sa mga sales pages mo, you will earn direct sales bonus. This is also equivalent to your discount percentage. So, kapag platinum member ka, you will earn 30% on all Salveo products and 40% on all Amaranth products. So, example, may bumili ng Amaranth Glutanact sa Salveoworld website mo. How much are you going to earn? So, that is 40% kapag platinum ka and 30% kapag gold ka. So, if you are a platinum member, 1,499 times 40%, you will earn 599 pesos and 60 centavos. Imagine, isang bottle pa lang, may 600 pesos ka na. Daig mo pa ang minimum wage earner na kumayod ng 8 oras. So, that is your income when you sell the products. Pero, yun nga lang, pag nagbebenta ka, pag wala kang benta, wala kang kita. No work, no pay. That is what you call an active income. Now, gusto mo bang kumita kung papaano kumikita yung mga negosyante at mayayaman? Well, ang tawag sa income nila ay passive income. Ito yung income na hindi mo na tinatrabaho, kinikita mo pa. Their presence is not required para kumita sila. Gusto mo bang malaman yung sikreto ng pagpapayaman? It is called the law of leverage. Law of leverage is multiplying yourself and your time through others. So, yung mga mayayaman, yung mga negosyante, what they're doing is they're hiring people as their employees to do the work for them. Pero, ang good news sa ganitong klaseng sistema, which we call multi-level marketing or MLM, hindi mo kailangan mag-hire ng employees. All you need to do is invite your friends or business-minded people na kagaya mo to build your business network. With Salveoworld system, hindi ka na mahihirapan. No need for meetups, no selling skills required, no need to convince them, because that is the purpose of your Salveoworld replicated website. Ang gagawin mo lang, copy and paste, then you're good to go. Kagaya ng ginawa mo, papanoorin lang nila ang video na ito, so we will do the talking for you, at kapag nagustuhan nila at nag-join sila, magkakaroon ka ng income. Now, are you ready to earn from our referral marketing system? Actually have more than 15 ways to earn. Kasama dito yung kita mo sa e-loading, meron pa tayong direct sales overrides, marami pa akong hindi na-discuss, including yung mga promotion rewards. So, napakarami pa. There you have it. Those are the ways kung paano ka magkakaroon ng extraordinary income using Salveoworld's revolutionary online marketing system. And that ends my presentation. Kung umabot ka sa part na to, it only means one thing. It only means you want your life to change. Hindi nagkataon lang na nakita mo ang video na ito. This could be an answer sa matagal mo nang pinagdadasal. At ngayon na nakita mo na that your life can change, that you can get your dreams with Salveoworld's online marketing system, the only thing left for you to do is act now. So join us now, be one of us, and help us in changing 1 million lives. Again, I'm Richanes, and thank you for watching. Before I end this video, I just want to share something about myself. When I started in this kind of business few years back, I also had my doubts and fears just like you. Pero in-overcome ko yon. And because of that, my life changed for the better. Ang dami kong mga bagay na natutunan, na-open yung mind ko. And finally, nakawala ako sa employment because of the MLM industry. So, the reason why I created Salveoworld is to share that kind of transformation, is to share the same opportunity to a lot of people so we can help transform 1 million lives.